Welcome back to the ZBCN today, everyone. ZBCN's Uphold. That's a brilliant move from a marketing perspective. It shows that the team behind ZBCN understands visibility and strategic placement. They aren't just sitting back hoping that investors will notice, they are actively putting themselves in front of millions of eyes. And this, in my opinion, is a hallmark of a team that's thinking long-term. They know that awareness fuels adoption, and adoption drives value. The combination of a strong project, real-world exposure, and strategic marketing creates an environment where growth is almost inevitable. People who understand this see ZBCN as a project that isn't just riding a wave, it's creating its own wave. You can have all the hype in the world, all the marketing campaigns, all the partnerships, but if a project's holders don't believe in it, it won't go far. ZBCN has a loyal community of holders who understand the intrinsic value of what they own. Unlike many projects that experience massive sell-offs during minor market dips, ZBCN's holders are holding firm. They understand the project, they trust the team, and they are in it for the long haul. This stability among holders is crucial because it acts as a buffer against volatility. It's what allows ZBCN to maintain a strong market cap and price even when the broader market is experiencing corrections. Speaking of market cap, as of today, ZBCN's market cap sits around $318 million. To put this in perspective, at the lows of 2025, it was hovering around $58 to $60 million. That's a tremendous increase, especially considering the overall market conditions. It speaks volumes about the resilience and potential of the project. And honestly, if ZBCN doesn't enter the top 100 on CoinMarketCap in the near future, I'd be genuinely shocked. I wouldn't be surprised if this happens sometime in 2026. The trajectory is there. All the indicators are pointing in that direction. This content is for informational and educational purposes only. It should not be taken as financial advice. Always do your own research before making investment decisions. ZBCN right now is the upcoming ISO 2022 compliance announcement. This is a big deal because ISO 2022 is essentially a global standard for financial messaging. Compliance with this standard opens doors for integration with traditional finance, international payments, and enterprise adoption. If executed correctly, it could dramatically increase ZBCN's utility and demand. Coupled with the planned Super App Drop, a DeFi powerhouse that consolidates multiple financial services into one platform, the potential for adoption and price appreciation is significant. And let's not forget the rumored Coinbase listing. While nothing is official yet, the signals have been strong. On-chain data, wallet activity, and community chatter all suggest that a listing could be imminent. If it happens, it would likely be a major catalyst for price growth and wider adoption. That's quite impressive considering where it started at the beginning of the year. And yes, like any volatile asset, it has pulled back slightly from a high of $0.0036 earlier in the day, but that's perfectly normal. What matters more is whether it maintains key support levels. As long as it holds above $0.0032, the chart looks favorable for further upward movement. We're already seeing the beginnings of higher lows forming, which is a classic bullish signal. If this trend continues, we could see a steady climb towards $0.005 and beyond in the coming months. And with all the catalysts lined up, from sports exposure to ISO compliance to potential exchange listings, the upside potential seems significant. Political factors such as trade talks, tariffs, and statements from key leaders are creating anxiety among investors. But here's the thing. Uncertainty in the broader market can often create opportunity in individual projects that have strong fundamentals. Instead of panicking and following the herd, savvy investors recognize that periods of fear are prime times to accumulate quality assets. This is exactly the scenario where buying the fear and holding long-term becomes a winning strategy. It's not always easy to act against the crowd, but history has shown time and time again that disciplined investors are the ones who come out ahead. Another point worth emphasizing is the importance of maintaining a trading strategy. Whether you're a day trader, swing trader, or long-term holder, having a clear plan is critical. Emotional decisions rarely yield consistent results in crypto. Stick to your strategy, respect your stop losses, and know your entry and exit points. For ZBCN, that means watching key support and resistance levels, understanding the upcoming catalysts, and keeping an eye on overall market sentiment. Combine that with fundamental research, and you have a comprehensive approach that mitigates risk while positioning yourself for growth. Remember, crypto rewards patience and strategy. It punishes impulsiveness and hype chasing. With the upcoming ISO 2022 compliance, the Super App launch, and the potential Coinbase listing, the project is positioned for significant growth. The market cap could easily breach the $1 billion mark in 2026 if adoption continues at the current pace. The combination of strong community support, strategic marketing, real-world utility, and visionary leadership creates a compelling narrative for long-term investors. And as the broader crypto market matures, projects like ZBCN that demonstrate both innovation and reliability will naturally stand out. It's a rare opportunity to be part of something that could redefine the landscape of decentralized finance and blockchain adoption. Finally, let's recap the key takeaways. Buy low, sell high. Buy fear, sell greed. Don't chase hype, and always conduct thorough research before committing capital. ZBCN is a project with strong fundamentals, significant upcoming catalysts, and a loyal community of holders. The sports exposure tonight is a prime example of strategic marketing that can drive awareness and adoption. ISO 2022 compliance and the Super App launch are transformative events that could elevate the project to new heights. And a potential Coinbase listing, while speculative, remains a tantalizing catalyst for price growth. Watch the charts, respect key support levels, and maintain your strategy. If all of these factors align, ZBCN could very well be one of the breakout projects of 2025 and beyond. This is ZBCN Today, bringing you clarity in a world of crypto noise. If you found this breakdown valuable, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our deep dive on Zebec's next phase and other projects shaping the future of Web3. Until next time, stay sharp, stay patient, and as always, stay ahead with ZBCN Today.